Ziribamgi Usatholder Labor 50 bedded Hospital the Matik Zaba CMO Amsung Dr. Masing Suna Tarak Tabagi Mayok the OPD Amsung CMO office so Lonsin Bagi Kongzanga Dunga Sisumakata Chatari High na District Hospital Monitoring Committee member Panjobom Montessori na Fongdorakli Hospital Stangarang Pau Missing Unaba Mada Wapamasi Fongdok Laduna Mahak na Makata na High Miam na Lengakta Tamkiba Demand Sing Adunga Sip Hauba Tabakta Ontorak Tabagi Mayok the OPD Amsung CMO office Thong Lonsin Bagi Kongjang Asi Zangsin Bani Ziribamgi Amatangai Hospital Asi Karamba Pibam the Lady Bagi High Basi Miam ni Hena Kangarabani 50 bedded hospital Ama Oiraga Hospital Astadi Pamung Taram Doi the Gihena Laite Ziribam the hospital Asi Lazarabasu Dr. Matik Sana Laitabana Assam the Zatuna Layang Nabahot Nabada Ziribamgi Miam Awabakaya Mayok Nare Miam na Taliba demand sing Asi Tabakta Ontorok Trip of Hauba Kongjang Asi Makatana Zangsin Kigani Haina Sumak Makatana from Doke
Ziribam the lady Amatangai hospital Karamba from the lady Karamba from the lady Habadimasi district hospital ni Amadi district hospital not 50 bedded hospital near Karamano 100 the 50 bedded hospital ni Haragana says a bed care lady bed care lady but Rahum do young Haile double do Rahum do late Asibu Carino a Ziribambu Manipur woman Kariwan Vilige Ziribam the Praza in the Manipur Praza Natrabra where one Anna lying like Homatan who could die the lying doing a Sam that's not lying with the Bashak Hojo for the Takata to Karan Satueno but Singasibo Tabiti Marum Sicarino Aduna de Makata and Assume Zatagani Asatagi to Hena kind of home until Pajak when Maramaduna Halbasi if we demand him at Tamsana Matiksana a Pumpana people have a snake Wakats.